Today we show you how to install ambient light. In the video is our FWD002 256 color light product. Now let's install the ambient lights to the 4 doors of the car and the center console to see how it looks. First we prepare the tools. Install the 4 doors of the vehicle first, and find the 4 light strips cables and 4 auxiliary control boxes belonging to the doors in the product box. Use tools to loosen the driving door frame. Remove the decorative strips and use tools to remove the door locking screws and other parts. The disassembly process for the 4 doors is consistent. Unplug the interface in the door frame and take down the door frame with a suitable method. After the door panel is disassembled, take out the light strip and put the light strip on the back of the door panel to the front position to start wiring. You can use your fingers to stuff the light strip slightly inward. After the wiring is roughly completed, use a tool to plug the light strip into the gap to fix it. After plugging it in, cut off the excess light strip. You can use scissors or other tools. After fixing the light strip, connect the lamp head. Plug in the auxiliary control box and fix it inside the door panel. The light strip is installed. And then install the parts and sockets that were removed from the original door panel according to the steps. Other 3 doors can be fitted using the same method. Install car door back. How to install dashboard part. Next, install the light strip in the central control position. Find the central control light strip, the longest one, in the main control box in the product box. First, find the car power fuse box, which is on the far left side of the main driver's central control position. Open the fuse box, grab the sides with your fingers and gently pull up to remove the panel. Find the fuse and connect the wires of the main control box here. After connecting the main control box, put the box in a suitable place and fix it. Be careful, please don't put the box at the air outlet of the air conditioner. Because putting it here will affect the music rhythm effect. Now install the center console of the main driving position. The car in our video needs to remove the air conditioning grill. Different models have different plans. Use a tool to remove the air conditioning grid. Basically, the method is like that. Use the light strip to roughly measure how many light strips are needed, then cut off the remaining light strips and save them and install them on the central control panel later. Insert the light strips into the gap by hand. Fix it with tools and cut off the excess light strip. Then reinstall the removed parts back to the car step by step. Next is to install the contour light of the center console. Remove the central control panel with tools. And remove the central control panel. After the interface of the light strip is placed inside the panel. Start to fix the light strip in front of the panel. Take it with a tool and cut off the excess light strip. This completes the outline of the light strip on the central control panel. Then, install the central control panel onto the car. We had already completed the installation of the central control light strip. You can see that we can still light up after cutting the light strip. Next, let's take a look at the effect of the door panel and the central control light strip after installation. At the same time, you can also use the phone application to control the ambient light. The ambient light of this product has 256 colors and 55 different ambient mode effects. Repeat the same disassembly process for the right door. Please contact us if you have any questions. That's all. Thanks for watching.